You're wondering about the rifle there. It's black bear season right now. Just to the side of the cabin, or the inflatable cabin here, we're gonna build a little tiny cabin here. I'm gonna do probably like a 16 by 12 right over here. Gonna mark it out. Brought some rebar, some twine, square up the base, and we'll go from there. Okay, if you can see that, and I got some twine around some rebar to give me an idea. And then I'll do the holes right in the front of each rebar here for the posts.
The hollow trees.
We had a friend just in here.
Just climbed up that tree.
grass is just kind of a pain to start.
That dirt all
You just shot dirt right up your
into my
butt.
pants.
How'd you do that?
And into my hair.
What'd you do?
That root broke and just sent it flying up.
I was like, looks like there's dirt about to go down your pants.
It is. It's all down my pants. Oh, it like
That's
literally
probably
went right in it.
Way now.
The pole? Yeah.
Looks like it. As long as you roughly know where it was at.
Yeah. Right here. It's everywhere. Well, I gotta start. We gotta start on all the holes so we at least know where they all are, because as we're digging, the poles may come out a little bit. So we'll know where they are in general idea anyway. This thing is heavy.
It works good though, eh?
Yeah.
It'd be good, like you break it up. Then I can pull it out with this.
Yeah.
It's like clay more.
Yeah. I was trying to on all the holes, like went around this way shoveling with the shovel when I started, on both all around the circle.
Oh, I'm just gonna get that right there. Crap.
I think I might have got it.
Yeah.
I think there's more though. Yeah, I can see it. I can see it sparking. The rock. There's another one.
Going the right way now. Yeah, yesterday on the other digger I was using,
Yeah.
it was sparking.
Oh, there you go. Look at those rocks.
Yeah.
Holy mackerel.
Oh. This looks like the best hole of the bunch to me.
Yeah?
Wider.
Oh.
Well, maybe. It's like a balance between getting too wide.
Yeah.
Not wide enough, eh?
Yeah.
I want a big hole, but not too big. Not too small.
Just the right size.
You can't fit it in.
Then you're screwed.
If it's too big, well, that's not good either. It's a problem. Getting there. Maybe a couple more digs will be done.
Yeah. That is a big root. Rain sucks. Yeah, good luck with that. Here, whatever. All right, I got some clay for you. Got lots of clay. Poopy diaper break. What's going on in here? Is there a poopy butt in here? You need a bum changed? Okay. Somebody needed to get out of the tent, so she'd stop crying. Hi! Hi! Hi!
Wish I could go in.
Oh yeah, I guess I better do a better job.
Getting some water already. Yeah,
Yeah.
a couple feet.
Oh, nice.
They both just a foot more in each one.
Any more?
Yeah.
Damn it. Are we there yet?
No.
Damn it.
Another 4 inches or so.
All right. You done yet?
Mm-hmm.
It's a lot. My muscles are sore.
All right, so all the holes are dug. We're ready for some 6x6s. Might have to do a little tweaking to make sure they'll fit in. Maybe take out a little bit of water because it's raining. Got to keep on raining for a couple days before we throw them in there. We also might bring like a bag of concrete or a few bags of concrete to throw in there, and then we'll just use the water that's in there, depending on how much is in there, just to mix around it too. We'll throw around the treat at 6x6. So either way, if we don't do that, we'll just tamper the ground all around it as we put it in. And I think it'll work out pretty good. So it's 16 feet this way and 12 feet that way. And then we'll get a start on her.